Hello everyone, I will show you how to use Rumble tutorial for beginners. First of all, Rumble is platform which is similar to YouTube but a little bit different, which is you can create your channel, and after you create your channel inside Rumble you can create your videos and share them on Rumble, and you can make money at the same time. And on Rumble you can find your favorite creators and watch their videos. For example, we have a lot of them right here, and I will explain everything about Rumble as a creator or as a viewer. And I will add another thing about Rumble, which is Rumble is a free speech platform, which is you can express yourself and you can say your opinions without worrying, and you can say whatever you want, and this is great, to be honest with you, and I definitely recommend the Rumble to anyone. And the first thing you need to do on Rumble is you need to create account, which is sign up. From here I will tap on sign up, and from here you can insert your name, your username and your password, and you retype your password and your email and retype your email address and choose your country and your birthday. And from here it is optional fields, and scroll down, and from here you can insert your address. It is optional from here, as Rumble said. And after you complete everything, check mark this and tap on register, and your account will be ready to use. I will sign in from here to Rumble because I already have account. I will tap on sign in to log in really quick. Sign in, and as you see I logged in inside my account on Rumble. And after that I will explain everything right now. First of all, we have the sidebar on the left, which is tap on this three horizontal lines on the left top corner almost, and we have the home page, which is the Rumble homepage, which is Rumble. He will suggest all the videos that you're interested in, that you always watch, and he will provide and suggest more videos to you based on your interested. And after that we have my feed, which is if I click on it, it will show me my for you videos, which is videos for you, the videos you are interested more, you always watch. And if I click on the three horizontal lines again, tap on a browser from here on the third one, and show up to me categories, and you can choose any category you are interested in. And we have finance from here, and we have trending views, or we have podcasts. If you like podcasts, always watch them, just click on it and he will suggest new videos on this category. And we have from here live streams. If I click on it, he will show me all the live streams that we will live right now, as you see. And after that, if I click on the three lines again and tap on edit topics, and from here he will pick the best videos for you that you interested and you want to watch always, as you see. And from here I will tap on the three lines and I will click on trending, and from here he will show you the most trending videos right now. As you see, this is the most trending videos right now on Rumble. And if I click on the three lines again, and we have from here library. If I click on it, and from here he will show me my library, which is the watch history, the videos I watched before. And after that he will show me the watch later, which is the videos I saved to watch later from here. and we have a playlists, which is you can create a new playlist and add your favorite videos inside this playlist, and you can watch them anytime you want. And after that, if I click on the three lines again, we have from here the watch history, which is the same thing from here, the videos you watched before, all of them. And if I click again on the three lines and tap on watch later, which is it will show me the videos I saved to watch later. I need to another time to watch them. And if I click on the three lines again and if I scroll down, he will show me the following, which is all the people I followed and I am interested in. And we have the theme from here, and you can make dark mode or light mode. It is up to you. And if I click back, if I get back to the home page of Rumble, from here he will show me my feed, gaming, live, sports, viral, and you can choose what you want to watch always from here, as you see. And if I scroll down, he will show me all the videos, all the recommended creators. You can follow them from here. And after that, after I explain everything from here, we have this notifications. From here you will see all your notifications, and after that from here tap on your profile picture on the right top corner, and we have account overview. I will tap on it, and inside my account overview you can cash out if you have money, if you already you have a lot of videos, your videos is monetized and you earned money, and you can cash out via your PayPal. Scroll down, and from here he said YouTube earnings and third party earnings and Rumble earnings. And from here, what YouTube earnings mean, you can import your earnings from YouTube to Rumble at the same time, which is you can do it from here if you scroll down, and after that you will find this option, which is auto syndication. Click on it, and from here you tap on turn on from your YouTube to link it with Rumble, and at the same time choose your account from YouTube, and after you choosing your account, your YouTube account will be linked to Rumble and will show up to you from here. If I get back, will show up to you the YouTube earnings here. And after that we have the status and analytics. Click on it, and from here you can find all your status and analytics and the earnings and everything about the analytics, and tap on account options, and from here you can change your account information and your PayPal, which is payment details. You will find them here, and you can change your password and notifications. From here you can turn off unnecessary notification if you would like, and you can change your profile picture, and you can change your back splash picture, description. You can add your other social media, you can add them right here. And from here, if I scroll down, from here we have local community, which is you can create local community. You can make people buy your local community, which is courses. You can create courses inside it. And from here, Rumble said locals makes it simple for creators to start a subscription-based community and make money directly from their supporters. This is what is a locals community is. And we have close your account from here if you want to close your account. And after that we have the account verification, and from here you can verify your account, insert your country code and your phone number, and after that choose text me. Will arrive to you a code, insert the code and you can verify your account easily, and you will be able to upload videos and use live streaming and make money and cash out your earnings and leave comments on videos and vote for videos and comments. And after that, if I click on transactions, click on it, and from here all your transaction will show up to you here as processed or pending. And from here we have payments, click on it, this option, and all your payments will show up to you here, the end of the month, your earnings. And we have referrals, and referrals, what does this mean? And from here you can take this link and share it with your friends or anywhere to start earn commissions from here. As you see, you can make extra money from Rumble. And from here we have chat settings, and from here he said you can change the chat, the color of the chat. As you see, your username color, you can change it to any color you would like. And after that we have live streaming, and under live streaming you will find view options, live streams, click on it, and from here you can set up a new stream. If you want to stream on Rumble, follow these steps one by one, and after that you will be able to stream on Rumble if you want to be streamer. And after that we have templates, and from here you can create template, live stream templates if you want, and scroll down, and after that we have pay-per-view, click on it, and from here it will show up to you the pay-per-view. You haven't purchased any videos yet, and scroll down, and after that we show up to your recurring subs, which is anyone who will subscribe to your locals, I think, community or your channel will show up to you here. And after that, my channels, click on my channels, this is very important. And from here you are able to create a channel inside your account, and from here I already have my channel, as you see, and from here I can delete it and create a new one. And as you see, this is my channel inside Rumble, and I will delete it to show to you how to create a channel in Rumble. Tap on delete, tap on confirm, and after that scroll down from here, and from here we show up to you create channel. Above my channel, tap on create channel, and from here I will create my channel really quick. I will insert my name, my title, description, the thumbnail or the back splash, and if you want to add your other social media as well, tap on create from here. I will tap on create. Here's creating my channel, and as you see, this is my channel inside Rumble. And if I scroll down, will show up to me other options as well, and from here you can sign out. And if you want to upload videos on Rumble, what you need to do is to tap on this plus icon, the camera icon, and inside the camera icon plus icon, tap on it, and we have upload video, or you can go live, or you can tap on Rumble Studio. For me, I will click on the first option, upload video, and from here I will insert the video title from here really quick, and after the description, and after that the category, choose the category. I will choose technology, for example, and we have the second category if you would like to choose. I will leave it like this, and we have the video thumbnail, which is very important. First of all, I need to upload the video. I will select video to upload it really quick. Tap on this square, and after the video is uploaded, as you see, scroll down, and from here you will find video thumbnails, and from here what you need to do is you can choose the Rumble default thumbnails that he provide for you, or you can choose your own from here. You can upload your own thumbnail from your computer, as you see, and scroll down and you will find tags from here, which is optional, and from here he said upload to, which is your profile, your personal account, or your channel. Of course I will choose my channel, and after that we have visibility. If you want the video go public or unlisted or private, I will choose public, or you can schedule it from here anytime you would like, and after that tap on upload from here. And the next step, we have your licensing options, and we have video management, exclusive or exclusive YouTube, or you want it on Rumble only, or you want it personal use, which is no monetized or not searchable, only available to all your subscribers. I will choose only Rumble. I want it on Rumble only, and after you choose this, scroll down and check mark both of them from here, the terms and conditions, and tap on submit. And after that he will give you the link of your video, as you see from here, direct link, and other things which is monetized as well. And from here I will tap on view my video, and as you see, this is my video, which is inside my channel, my description, my title, and basically that's it. This is my video, and basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.